Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this bloody ink splash effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. To make this effect, we need 2 video clips, which we are going to use to create this effect. And we need a texture of red ink in water on a white background. You can find this very easily through a simple Google search. Now bring this texture of red ink in water on a white background, and place this on top of these 2 clips. Select the red ink texture, and now go to OpenFX, and here search for Lumiere, and then drag and drop that on there like so. Still with that selected, go to Inspector tab, then Effects. Under the Lumiere section, make sure that in the controls, we got this little icon selected like so. Underneath the preview window there's a little drop down, select OpenFX overlay, and then using your mouse, all we need to do is click within this red area in the middle, and that's going to make all of these red area to the alpha channel, so that we can see our footage underneath. Now you need to do that whenever you want to use one of these transitions. Now let's see how you use this transition. Well, there are just a few more things you need to do. Give your red ink texture a click on the timeline, and then go up to the Inspector tab. This time go to the video, scroll down to composite mode, and then change that to be the alpha. Now select the first clip to the left, the start of the transition, and you need to drag this up onto the video track number 3. Like so, it's above your red ink texture. Then again go to the same composite mode, and we're going to turn this one into the foreground. So now we got this. If I hit play, we've got this red ink texture appearing, and if we put our second clip underneath there, we can see that the red ink texture is got transparent. So then it's just a case of lining everything up. So we've got this effect. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing.